Sushi bar. And right there, it's a drinks and sweets. No, madam. Say order, di mo, madam? How about mine? Tempura. Hi guys, we're here now at Chinese restaurant. Here, right there at my back. Sushi bar. Enjoying. Mas malapit na ang pagbabalik sa trabaho. Ayan. Sushi. Pwede ka rin umorder doon, iba-iba sila counter right there sa mga drinks at saka bread. Doon naman sa dulo, hot pot, you can order shabu-shabu. So that's it for today's vlog guys. Kakain muna tayo sa ating tempura. Take a look.